Hi, and welcome to the MySgProp podcast, where we explore smart property investing and uncover insights from Singapore to the region. I'm Rainey, and with me today, as always, is CS.
Good to be back, Rainey, and good morning, afternoon, or evening to all our listeners. It's December 1st, 2025, and we've got a special Market Pulse update for you today, diving into the latest market trends, statistics, and some interesting research.
Yes, a very date-sensitive topic today, because the property market moves so fast, doesn't it? So, CS, let's jump straight into the hot news from the past week, November 24th to 30th, 2025. What's caught your eye?
Well, Rainey, the Biduk Rise site definitely made headlines. It drew a remarkable 10 bids, with the highest coming in at $1,330 per square foot per plot ratio. That's a pretty strong signal of developer confidence in the area.
Wow, $1,330 per square foot per plot ratio. That's quite a sum. What does that mean for future buyers in Biduk?
It indicates that future launch prices there are expected to hit around $2,700 per square foot. It reflects the desirability of mature estates like Biduk, with its amenities and connectivity.
$2,700 a square foot, that's quite a jump from the land bid. Speaking of future launches, I saw something about fewer new condos expected in 2026. Is that accurate?
That's right, Rainey. The analyst consensus is indeed fewer new condo launches in 2026, with the majority of them concentrated in the suburbs. This reduction in supply, especially in the core region, is actually expected to push prices up further.
So less supply in the core region means potentially higher prices. That's a classic economic principle, isn't it? For those looking to buy, it sounds like choices might be more limited, especially if they prefer the city fringe.
Precisely, and it correlates with another interesting piece of news. Non-landed private residential property prices rose 1% in October, while the transaction volume dropped 4.5%.
That's a bit of a paradox, isn't it? Prices going up, but fewer transactions? What do you make of that, CS? Are buyers just being more selective, or is it a sign of something else?
It suggests a few things, Rainey. Perhaps sellers are holding firm on their asking prices, or there's a mismatch between buyer expectations and seller demands. It could also indicate that genuine demand remains strong for prime properties, driving prices up despite fewer overall transactions. Buyers might be taking a wait-and-see approach for now, but good units are still transacting at strong prices.
That makes sense. It's a nuanced market out there. Now let's shift gears a bit. Any exciting new launch promotions for our listeners who are actively looking?
Absolutely. First up, for those who value permanence, there's the Continuum. They're running a one-price promotion for their 1+ study units from levels 1 to 9, all at just $1,360,000. That's a freehold gem, mind you.
$1,360,000 for a freehold 1+ study unit in the Continuum? That sounds like a really compelling offer, especially with it being freehold. A great entry point, I think.
Indeed. And for executive condominium, or EC, hopefuls, Coastal Cabana EC is opening its e-applications from December 6th to 21st. It boasts sea views and is located opposite downtown East. 3-bedroom units start from $1,430,000 and 4-bedroom units from $1,620,000.
Oh, an EC with sea views opposite downtown East. That's a rare combination, isn't it? And those price points for ECs are always attractive for eligible buyers.
Definitely. Then there's the Collective at 1 Sophia, a rare high-rise mixed development in District 9. They're offering discounts ranging from $25,000 to $60,000. That's quite substantial for a prime District 9 address.
$25,000 to $60,000 off in District 9? That definitely catches the eye. Mixed developments are always popular for their convenience, so this sounds like a strong contender for those looking for a city-centric lifestyle.
It certainly is. And for those who prefer resale properties, we have a showcase for a freehold unit at Park Centennial in District 9. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath unit, 1,163 square feet, going for $2,300,000.
Park Centennial in District 9, freehold, $2,300,000. And it says, show flat condition, unblocked views in all rooms, plus a private lift. That sounds like a truly premium offering, CS.
It is, Rainey. For discerning buyers who appreciate luxury and privacy in a prime location, this unit checks many boxes. Show flat condition means minimal renovation needed, which is always a bonus.
Definitely a bonus. Now, what about our listeners who are thinking beyond Singapore's shores? Any interesting overseas investment properties?
For the adventurous investor, there's Citadine's Barawa Beach, Bali. These are 4-star serviced apartments starting from just 274,000 Singapore dollars. And the kicker? They come with a guaranteed rental return of 35% net over 7 years.
Wow, 274,000 Singapore dollars for a 4-star serviced apartment in Bali with a 35% net guaranteed rental return over 7 years? That sounds incredibly attractive, especially for those looking for passive income and a holiday home rolled into one.
It's a compelling proposition for those seeking diversified portfolio with a strong income stream and the allure of Bali. Guaranteed rental returns certainly add a layer of security.
What a fantastic overview of the market, CS. From local new launches to exciting overseas opportunities, there's a lot to think about.
Indeed, Rainey. The market, as always, is full of dynamics and opportunities for those who know where to look.
That's all for today's podcast from MySgProp. I hope you picked up something useful for your next property move. Don't forget to follow or share this episode with someone who's into real estate too.
More insights and new launch updates await you at MySgProp.com. Catch you next time.